I just finished watching 5 what I got for my birthday videos, and let's just say those YouTube girls are really lucky, they're really loved, or they're just really rich. So welcome to my haul.
Like always, it isn't a haul without going to brandymelville, and I know it is so basic, but I just love the store so much. They have such aesthetic, simplistic designs, and just really good quality items in general.
So the first store I went to was brandymelville, and I actually got 2 items. And the first item I got is this incredible cream long sleeve, and I just love this shirt so much. I don't even have the tags for it anymore because I have worn this shirt to class for like 2 weeks straight. Like, I am so in love with their long sleeves. The quality is just phenomenal, and I think it could fit up to like an L size, even though like brandymelville is like known for their XS size. I think they have really improved. The next item I got at brandymelville is a Charleston tee. This is in a really pretty forest green color. I have no idea where Charleston is. The only thing I know with the name Charleston is Rory's headmaster from Chilton. So I am a big fan of old rich principals of private schools. Yes. Next up, I got new shoes.
Guys, aren't these the most beautiful pair of shoes you've ever laid eyes on? These are embroidered platform converses, and just look at all the pretty little floral details. And they even have pastel purple bottoms. Like, are you kidding me? These are so cool.
I love them so much. First of all, they're huge. They're gonna make me look so tall. I'm like 5'5", 5'4". This is gonna make me look like 5'7", and I'm just gonna be like this whole model at school.
The Georgetown H&M is by far the cleanest and most beautiful H&M I've ever seen. Everything was in stock, and they were all so orderly. I normally don't shop here often, but there are some hidden gems to be found.
So I went to H&M on the day of my birthday, and I didn't know this, but apparently you can have 25% off any item in H&M as long as it's your birthday. And I got green cargo pants. I've been wanting these forever. I see them all the time on Pinterest. They seem to go with everything. I know people who wear cargo pants to school every day. Compared to other H&M items, they are such a nice material. They are so thick. They will look so good with all the graphic tees that I have. Can we just talk about how excessively long flared leggings are? Like, they go all down to my feet. Like, I would be stepping on them if I were to wear normal shoes. But I am so glad I got platform converses.
Okay, this technically isn't a part of the haul, but I still really wanted to include it. This is Georgetown Cupcakes, the most famous bakery in Washington, D.C. And I don't know what it is. I really don't. But every time I pass through this place, the line is out the freaking door. These cupcakes were quite pricey, but since it was my birthday, me and my mom finally caved and decided to try these cupcakes out for the first time. These cupcakes were actually really good, and my favorite is the right one, which is salted caramel, and the one on the left is called Christmas cookie.
So the last store I went to was TJ Maxx, and I went there not to shop, but just to like end my Georgetown trip by like going to the bathroom and then walking back to my home. So yeah, I was in the bathroom while my mom just like cruised all the aisles. This was her first time in TJ Maxx, and you know how Asian moms just like, they are really good with spending money unless it's discounted items. That, yeah, my mom ended up spending like $100, and I used her good mood to get myself a champion sweatshirt. Like, look at how pretty this like moss green color is. As pretty as it is, like, I'm not sure if this color looks good on me, so I might return it because I don't know, do I look like I have the potential to rock this color? I'm not sure, so comment down below if I should keep it or should I return it. This haul has been like all clothes related, but I also got books. I am so excited. I love reading, okay? But I have the worst SAT reading score. Like, I am so slow. I try my best to hype the passage up, but I just cannot, okay? I cannot. So the first two books I got are The Summer I Turned Pretty by Jenny Han and the sequel to that, which is It's Not Summer Without You. If you haven't seen The Summer I Turned Pretty on Amazon Prime, what are you doing? Like, watch it right now. Tell me what team you are, Team Jeremiah or Team Conrad. I am strictly a Conrad girl, okay? Conrad. My mom's also a Conrad girl, so you know which team you have to be on. Team Conrad. I also went to Costco the other day and I picked up 2 Colleen Hoover books. First is It Ends With Us. I think we don't need an intro to this. Like, you've probably seen it at your local bookstore, you've heard of it, or you've seen really hot guys doing shirtless TikToks to it, or just like steal books from their girlfriends to do thirst traps. I don't know. This is really popular. And I also picked up November 9th, which is like these 2 couples that are forced to only meet on one day, which is November 9th. Or that's what I think it is. And the last thing I picked up is Things We Never Got Over. Lastly, I'd like to show you what I got from my friends. So I didn't have a birthday party, so all the gifts are like my own money or my parents, and only like 2 close friends really gave me presents. So the first gift is from my best friend of 6 years. I met her in middle school, and I actually got this at the beginning of summer because she lives in Vietnam. I live in the US, so she has to give me my birthday present like 6 months in advance. So I'm really into like DIY stuff and crafts, so my best friend got me a whole embroidery kit. Like, it has like 50 colors of thread. I just love it so much. Look at how cute it is. I cannot wait to like embroider my backpack and make friendship bracelets, hopefully with her, because last time I did with her, it did not end well. And the set also includes a bunch of more stuff, canvas to like practice on, a bunch of needles to do drugs on, and this like sheath thing so that it'll make your fabric thicker, I think. I'm on winter break. I will learn this, I promise. The last gift I got is from one of my American friends. She actually drove to my place, which is really sweet. She got me this thing. I don't know, it's like a tummy heater. So basically you put like hot water in this, and while you have cramps for your period, you can put this over your stomach and it'll make you feel very warm, cozy, and really comfy. Lastly, she gave me these really kawaii magnetic bookmarks that I am in love with. Like, look at how cute they are. Like, they're magnetic. They are so cute. I love reading so much. So thank you so much for driving to my place and just like giving me these awesome gifts, because I have been resisting the urge to use these for like 2 weeks now, and I am so happy to use them today while I start It Ends With Us. And that's it for my haul. Thank you so much for watching my video. I know I've been gone a really long time. I've been doing like college applications, and I am excited to tell you that I actually got into my early decision school, so the college series is coming. I am officially that college girl. I will help you grind, make that perfect resume, tell you all my stats, how I got into the school, and I'm so happy to like help you guys and finally have time to do YouTube, which is something I really love. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!